Hi, Jessica. Oh, it turns. Boy, we are painting different lines out here.
If you watch any of my videos from here, you know my normal warm-up. But today I'm trying to get to it a little bit sooner. I don't know why I have high anxiety over new features, and today I've got a lot of new features I want to get done. 99% of the time, after stressing over it for days, sometimes even a week, it turns out fine, and then I feel silly for not giving it a go sooner. But knowing I had fears to face today, I felt off most of the morning, and I think it's from the anxiety. If you follow the channel, you know that I'm older. I'm 52 years old. I have been riding bicycles since the COVID. I am a COVID rider. But I've had a lot of injuries, most of which were in a previous life motorcycle stuff. I have had a few small ones from mountain bikes, and it always stinks to fall down and crash and get hurt. So today I'm trying to get up to speed a little bit faster and get to feeling good. And I'll show you coming up what one of my goals for today is. Right here is a wooden Whaletail on and off jump. And then right here is a cannon jump. Some people call it a boner log. I'm not really sure. And right after that is two 7-foot kicker jumps. But the good thing is there's another identical kicker jump ramp, wooden ramp, on another trail that's a step up. The good thing about a step up is it's safer because you're not coming back down so far. The landing is much higher than the takeoff, and I want to do that first. So the plan of attack is to get to jumping sooner. I'm going to do air supply to Kids Eat Free. Go ahead and check that off. If you watch my last video, you know I'm trying to make that trail not a big deal. Just be used to it. Just run into Kids Eat Free, run through it, big jumps, everything's good. It's just normal. And after we do that, I'm going to go over to Cindy Crawford, which used to be part of the shuttle trail. It's going to be made into its own line now. And they have a pretty decent sized step up, and then a little hip, and then this 7-foot wooden kicker ramp step up. We're going to do that first, get to feeling good, and then I'm going to go back over to unlimited breadsticks, the line with the Whaletail on and off.
Boy, we are painting different lines out here.
And with that done, it's time to get to it. I've done put this off. I do it all the time. Tried to get started earlier, but here I go. Cindy Crawford.
Oh, it turns. That turns now. It didn't turn before. Okay, I'm pushing back up to do that again. I was nervous about it. I haven't done that stuff up, man, in a long time. Probably, if I'm guessing, someone will tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm guessing probably 5 or 6 months, and it looks like a wall when you're coming down the hill at it. I'm sure, I mean, I know on GoPro it looks like nothing, but it's up there, and I'm gonna try to do it again and see if I can get the next two, at least the next one. If I'm feeling good, I'm gonna do the wooden kicker too, so wish me luck.
I know the GoPro effect is very real on this jump, but you'll see it from the side in a minute. But thank goodness I had Zach, who's on the trail crew here, and Mike riding with me today, just telling me about the features, giving me a tow. It's really been helpful. Thanks,
I
guys.
cleared that fine, didn't I? Know. I didn't case it or nothing.
That was good.
Yeah. I know how to ride a bike. I'm just scared of it.
Now it's time to move on to this wooden Whaletail.
Yep. Yeah, I probably went too slow.
That's all right.
How do you not do it? And I said I was going to do the boner log, and we come around the corner, and I'm looking at my front knobby, and I go over the roller, and then I said, you need to look ahead, and I was like, nope.
Yeah. Well, it's all right. It's two different things. You need to just chill.
Yeah, it's all right.
That's good, though. It was easy, though.
It's easy. I went too slow.
Yeah, that's all right.
Plan was to go back up, and instead of just sitting in front of it and looking at it, taking our time, just ride straight into it. So we go up, we're going to do air supply, which really is so fun. It's senior discount, and then just go right into unlimited breadsticks and see how that goes. I can tell watching this footage that my rear hub is getting louder. Sorry about that. I will service it. Actually, I've already serviced it since I recorded this. And the next video, it should be less noisy.
That was my first one on it, like really trying the jump, so I was really hippopotamus.
That's fun.
Okay, here we go. Everybody has warned me about the huge speed change when you turn off of senior discount into unlimited breadsticks. You're going so fast for the original carpet jump, basically the last jump on senior discount will do. And then you have to be going really slow for the wooden Whaletail. So I'm keeping that in mind.
This step down. Oh.
And a huge case. I was riding too tight. Probably should have got a pedal in there. But you know, sometimes when you case a jump like that, it kind of removes the fear. Like, I am not scared of it now at all.
I cased the cannon.
Bad?
No.
It was getting late in the day, and I was noticing I was making some mistakes. Rick was with me, so he said he would get some clips of me, and we're going to go do that real quick and then see how we feel.
Hell yeah.
Good man, Jason.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get a lap.
Do what I can.
With that done, we decided to start winding it down. We've already done about 13 laps, which is plenty. So I decided to take me a chiller cool down lap on Air Supply and Senior Discount, and Rick was going to grab me another clip while I was doing it.
A little deep there. You.
This place never disappoints. I always have so much fun here. I've progressed here. Everybody is so helping and friendly. I really enjoy it a lot. I will tell you, I'm proud of what I've done, but I'm also frustrated that I didn't check off everything that I wanted to. I've got to really finish unlimited breadsticks, and I've got to start working on backwoods. I didn't even roll through backwoods today. I think I get so exhausted when I do new things from the adrenaline rush. It's almost like I get an adrenaline bonk. If you've ever bonked lack of food or water while you're XC pedaling or something like that, it feels like that. I just get done, and at this point I was very done, and I know when to call it. But the good news is I get to come back soon, and maybe I'll see you here.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought.